So let's look at the verbs in the past tense and how they change and how the structure, how the sentences are made as well. So most of the time with regular verbs, we simply add ed. The simplest spelling rule there is with the verbs. So ed. Adam cleaned the car. So we have clean and ed, cleaned the car. Adam cleaned the car. Adam watched TV. Adam talked to his neighbour. ed. Wash, talked, and beyond. Wash, talked, and beyond. ed. Talked, washed. So I, you, he danced. Dance, danced. ed. Nice and simple. He danced. D-A-N-C and add the D. Danced. I danced with her last night. You danced well last night. He danced last night. Simple as that. I paid the bill. Now with irregular verbs, they've got irregular, add ed. Paid, there's no P-A-I-E-D, there's no ed there, it's just paid. I paid the bill. I paid the invoice. I paid the invoice. I paid the builder. Stuff like that. You paid the bill. He paid the bill. She, we, they. She talked. Again, talk. Infinitive and ed. She talked to the manager. We rang the boss. So rang on a phone. There's no ranged. There's no ranged. It's only rang. She rang her boss. They rang today. I talked to you on the phone. He rang last night. He rang last night. We danced to the music. Danced to the music. Very good. So verbs, with regular verbs, we simply add ed and we say who did what. I danced last night. She talked to the boss. We rang the office. He paid the bill. Nice and simple. We have subject, pronoun, the verb, most of the time ed, and the rest of the sentence. He danced last night. They talked to the boss. Very nice. Let's keep going.